It is 9th of May today. That is one of the grape vines in my back garden. I have got few scions which I have decided to graft it on that vine. I made a cut at the bottom. That cut was made about 3-4 weeks back so that it could weep enough. It has been dripping for a long time, and now it looks like, although its top is slightly wet, but dripping has stopped. So I hope that now it will not damage the graftings which I am going to do today. I have added one graft at the bottom, and now as we go up I shall be adding one more graft on this branch. To start the process of grafting, I shall cut the end of this branch, and the method I will be using is whip and tongue graft. For that I'll give a long cut at this end. The cut needs to be very straight. Now I shall be giving the same cut on the scion. Just compare the length of the both cuts. It should be equal or almost equal. I am using this stone to sharpen my knife from time to time. Your knife should be sharp to get the best result. After sharpening my knife, I will wipe it with the antiseptic tissues. Now I shall make a tongue cut into the rootstock. And the same cut in the scion. And now match both cuts. They both are equal in size, then it should match on both sides. But if the size is not equal, then at least one side should match, because for the growth it is very important that cambions on both sides they match. Now I am using first this rubber band just to make sure that I can see that when I am tying it with this rubber band right up to the other end, I can see that they match both cuts. They match each other, and they make a good cambium contact. Now put the finger under one and bring the end and that will lock it. Now I shall use this plastic strip to tie it properly. The same process, that put the end under and this second knot will make it more secure. Cut the extra tape. I will cut the extra scion, leaving 2 buds. Now seal the end of the scion where the cut has been given. And now sealing the graft. And that will complete this graft, and I hope it will grow, and I will share the result with you. Now 2 varieties have been grafted. If you like my work, let others know. Thank you.